Hey friends, if you wish to set the default location of your PC in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. After that, go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select location. Now scroll down and select default location and select set default. You can select a default location here. Okay, I will select it as my house, and you can simply put a pointer at that one and then click on save. Was this helpful? I'll tell you what it does. Basically, it doesn't like change the active location, but if the active location is not to be found, in that case it will select the default location. This is more helpful if you are basically staying at one place. And if this was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.